So how's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now today is honestly one of my favorite trading days of the month because the CPI report got released this morning, and I really like trading the price action after the report comes out, right when the market opens. When the market opens, we typically get some nice up and down movement, and it usually provides some nice setups. And today I found two trades, and both of them happened to be winners, so I made a nice profit on my Apex account, and it was just a solid day overall. And I got the trades recorded live this morning so that you guys can see them, and I will break down the trades at the end of the video, so enjoy the live trading. The market's starting to pull back here. It's below the 60s. I'm wanting to hop in short, but I want a better entry. I'm going to take a sell here with just one contract. Stop is going to be above the 60s because this looks like it's pulling back. A lot of times the CPI move gets reversed. Getting a nice push to the downside. I really hope we go right through VWAP. That'd be nice. We're up really nice right now in this one contract. Kind of wish it took two or more, but I'm going to trail my stop up a little bit. So now this will be a winning trade. The question is how big of a winning trade, and it is continuing to sell off. Let's see if we can get down to the 40s.
Order filled.
Alright, we are stopped out. Quick 43 profit. Not a very big trade. I probably should have taken two contracts, but I was looking for a move like that, so. I'm going to get in short here.
Order submitted.
Stop loss is right at the 60 level, or right above it. I can see this pulling back in here. The 5-minute chart looks very bearish. Alright, we're getting some very nice downside movement here. Looking to get filled at the 40s, and perfect.
Order canceled.
That was easy. That was exactly what I was looking for. That was a nice break and retest of 4160 supply. And then sure enough, see a bearish engulfing candle, you get short, stop above the 60s, and then like 3 minutes later you get some more aggressive selling. And I got filled perfectly at the 41s. Alright, yeah, I think I'm going to call it there because we got two nice trades. We're up about $111 and it's just kind of chopping now, so I think I'm going to call it a day. Alright, so now to break down these two trades. Now here we have the ES chart, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom out to the 1 hour to show you the levels I was watching this morning. Now I think I had basically the same levels in my video yesterday, so if you watched that, this probably looks very similar, but basically I was watching 4160 supply because of all of these previous highs from the last week or two. And then below that, I was watching 4135 to 4130 demand. That's the level that we held pretty well yesterday, and we were unable to get below it. So these two levels were on watch this morning. So now I'm going to go ahead and zoom into the 1 minute time frame to show you where I took this trade and what my confirmations were. Now this right here started to kind of look like a mini head and shoulders pattern, and I kind of had a bearish bias because usually if the CPI report makes the market go up, when the market opens, it tends to give back a lot of that move. So I was already looking for short opportunities, and when I saw that we could not hold this 4160 level, I jumped into short right here. Now it was kind of a chase, so I only took one contract instead of two or three, and I just put my stop right above the 60 level, so I was not risking very much. I was thinking we could get a move down into 4135 demand. Now I could have been a little more patient because this pullback kind of shook me out of this trade, and I moved my stop down to right above the wick of this candle, so I got stopped out here in profit for about $45. And it went a little bit lower, but then it kind of chopped out, went back up, so I'm kind of glad I did exit the trade. And then my second trade was right around here, and it was basically a break and retest of 4160 supply. Now I really like this setup. This is honestly becoming one of my favorite setups because it offers really good risk to reward, and I was pretty confident in this trade. It was basically a break above the key level and then a reclaim on the opposite side, and I like to wait for an engulfing candle, in this case a bearish engulfing candle. I could have taken it on this candle here, but I decided to wait. I think I was waiting for a close on the 5-minute. So then right here on this bearish engulfing candle, I went short with a stop above the 4160 level. I wanted to look to take my profit at this zone here. This was a little like a 1-minute demand. This is where the market had just taken off from. So I put my take profit at like exactly 41.41, and it hit it to an exact T and filled me before going back up and testing VWAP. So I was very happy with that trade. It was only a few minutes and it just worked out really well. Now I'm completely aware that I did end up missing the demand bounce at 41.35, and it was also a key level that I was watching on SPY, which is 410. If I zoom out a little bit here, you can see that 410 has been a key level in the past couple weeks. So I did miss out there, but I really don't like to take more than 1 or 2 trades, so I decided to call it there. So now if I show you my P&L on my Apex account, we're up 111 on the day, and the overall account is now at 25,442, which is, I think this is the exact peak of the account. I don't think it's ever been any higher than that. And yeah, I'm happy with that overall because we only need to make 1,500 to pass the evaluation. So we are about 1/3 of the way there. And I'm happy with where I'm at because I can certainly tell that I've improved my trading in the past couple months. I'm definitely doing better than my first attempt at the Apex challenge. And I think I'm doing much better at adapting to a more range-bound market rather than just a trending market. Because even just a few months ago, you can go look at my old videos and I would not ever take reversal setups. I was only scalping bull flags and bear flags, and it just did not work in the 2023 market. So I'm happy with my progress and happy with where I'm at, and I'm just going to keep on doing what I'm doing, sticking to my plan and taking A+ setups, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks I will be able to pass this evaluation and earn a funded account. That is my goal by the end of the year. I'm pretty confident that I can achieve it, so we will see if I can keep it up. But anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I always like to share the trades I take each morning, and I like to give an update of where I'm at with the Apex Trader Funding evaluation. I hope you guys are enjoying these futures trading videos, and if you are, I would appreciate some feedback in the comments below. And also thanks for the support on the channel lately. It really encourages me to keep making this type of content, so be on the lookout for more videos. With that being said, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.